Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now by meeting the minimum level in gear. This accelerates spawns and avoids wipes. Once done, queue for a raid server and join a party with clear roles: tank, damage, healer. Make sure to equip your highest DPS fruit and keep healing consumables at hand because early mistakes cost lives. You'll want one half of your inventory free for drops, then move to the designated raid island and wait for the boss summon to appear. You engage by assigning roles and calling targets aloud. While the tank keeps aggro, your job as DPS is to hit weak points and chain combos. That maximizes percentage damage. Once done with initial burst, rotate out to avoid invuln phases and incoming AoE. Make sure to interrupt summons and save mobility moves for telegraphed attacks, because positioning wins fights. Use support to top off health, and rotate cooldowns, so the boss never recovers long enough to reset mech. You finish by immediately collecting the loot and checking chests for fruit fragments and rare spawns. Quick pickup prevents others from stealing drops. Once done, save screenshots of any rare fruit and use teleport or rebirth to lock in your gain. If you fail, analyze what went wrong. Adjust roles, upgrade your fruit, or bring one extra healer. One troubleshooting tip: if boss mechanics overwhelm you, reduce DPS pressure slightly and increase crowd control. It stabilizes the fight fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.